Did you know that intermittent fasting isn't just about skipping meals? It's a powerful tool for holistic healing, helping your body, mind, and even your emotions find balance. Let's dive into how this simple practice can transform your health from the inside out. First, let's talk about your mind. Intermittent fasting gives your brain a break from constantly digesting food. This break allows your body to focus on repair and renewal. Many people who practice fasting report feeling sharper, more focused, and even more creative. It's like hitting the reset button for your brain. But it's not just about mental clarity. Intermittent fasting can also improve your gut health. When you give your digestive system a rest, it has time to heal and rebalance. This can lead to better digestion, fewer bloating issues, and even a stronger immune system. A happy gut means a happier you. Now, let's talk about your body. Intermittent fasting helps your body tap into stored fat for energy, which can support healthy weight loss. But it's not just about shedding pounds. It's about feeling lighter, more energetic, and more in tune with your body's natural rhythms. One of the best things about intermittent fasting is how flexible it is. You can choose a fasting schedule that works for you, whether it's the 16:8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, or the 5:2 method, eating normally for 5 days and reducing calories for 2 days. It's all about finding what fits your lifestyle. And let's not forget the emotional benefits. Fasting can help you develop a healthier relationship with food. Instead of eating out of habit or stress, you learn to listen to your body's true hunger signals. This mindfulness can spill over into other areas of your life, helping you feel more grounded and in control. Intermittent fasting isn't about depriving yourself, it's about nourishing yourself in a way that supports your overall well-being. It's a practice that encourages you to slow down, tune in, and take care of yourself on a deeper level. If you're curious about intermittent fasting, start small. Skip breakfast one day, or finish dinner a little earlier. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust as you go. Remember, this is your journey, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. So, are you ready to try intermittent fasting? Your body, mind, and soul will thank you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and remember, holistic healing starts with small, intentional steps. See you in the next video.